Hey everybody, so today I got for you something pretty amazing. This is a men's Hamilton Railroad skeleton watch. It's stainless steel case. Obviously it has the scope and skeleton open face. The crystal does not have any scratches or chips in it whatsoever. Sapphire crystal. The case itself does have some scratches on it. Little scratches, tiny nicks. I'm sure I'd say 99% of all that could come out from polishing. I do not polish watches. I'm more of a jewelry person, so I want to leave that to someone else. Here it's marked with the H. You can see the back of it. What I really like about this watch is that you can see how everything moves and how everything works. Like for instance, just look at it by the face. Well, first you can hear it click. So if you can see close enough here, I'll zoom in. As I twist, you can see that little gear moving, and what that little gear does is this spring right here gets loaded, so it should be fully sprung. Here, let me keep twisting. It needs a little bit. 1 second. There you go. See how that spring just moved? Now you can see that the spring is fully loaded. And obviously it has, when you go the other way, just clicks. You can see a little gear right here moving. You can see the turbulene. Beautiful, beautiful watch. And what's also cool is this is one of those watches where, here, I'll zoom out so you can see that a little bit better. This right here, as it moves, actually loads up the spring. So if you're wearing this watch, as you're walking around and everything like that, you should never ever have to wind it. Now if you set this watch down and don't put it on for a couple weeks, then yeah, you'll have to wind it again to get it started. I mean, honestly, you could just shake it a little bit like that and you'll be able to get it going, but you should really just wind it. It'll be easier. The watch itself, the bracelet, has some nicks on it. Again, has not been polished. You could get probably 99% of it out. It's got the Hamilton logo right there. It's got the double release. Here it has some scratches. You have a serial mark right here, and then on the inside you also have some serial marks. So you have a stainless steel mark right there, and you have another serial mark on that side. You can see all the links that it has. Really, really beautiful watch. Water resistant. Swiss made. Sapphire crystal. Has a serial mark. You can see the inside of it. Really, really incredible. Yeah, this is going to be going on eBay. I think I'm going to charge about $700-800 for it. Really, really, really beautiful watch. I think it's about, as is a 7.5 if I'm not mistaken. I'll double check for you guys and let you know for sure in the description. And if you want to buy it, the link will be in the description. So you'll be able to check this out, see some photos, get a better idea of if you guys want it or not. Really appreciate you guys watching. If you could, like and subscribe. Also, have a great day.